Everything you want in life is wrapped around a feeling. And if that is so, if everything is wrapped around a feeling and we know that our feelings are caused by our thoughts, how important would it be to you to purposely learn to think? My name's Charity Schaefer. I'm so glad that you could join me today. I want to share with you a little bit today about mastering the mind. I want to tell you that this topic has been something that I certainly don't take lightly. I hope you don't take it lightly either, and I don't believe that you do, and that's why you're here today. Mastering our mind, because of the fact that everything revolves around our mindset. Everything that we want to be, everything that we want to go on to be, those seeds of greatness that are planted inside of you, they're placed there on purpose. But we have to get our minds right. And this is why. Because our thoughts lead to our feelings lead to our actions, and our actions lead to our results. And so what I found is that over the last 10 years of just really working and doing a lot of mindset work, it's what's truly led me to be able to have the life and to have the experiences that I have today. If you can master your mind, you can master anything, I promise you that. I created a course. I want you to be there. I want you to win. And that's why I've labeled it the course, I Want to Win. If you're a winner, if you resonate with that, you know what, you no longer do you want limiting beliefs to keep you where you're at, that you're ready to go on to the next level. No longer do you want to let yourself skate by and you're seeking the accountability. If you are that person that says, you know what, I am tired of settling. I know that there are seeds of greatness inside of me, Charity. I want to go be my best self. Then this is for you. This is going to be the opportunity for you to jump into what your purpose is, what your destiny is. This is the moment where we can begin to lay the foundational skills that will set you up to win for a lifetime. Okay, so if you're someone that you want to master and create rock solid habits, you want to reinvent and change the story of any limiting beliefs that you have about yourself, if you're someone that you want to be surrounded by uplifting, a tribe of amazing women to support you and lift you and to network with, then this is going to be for you. Okay, if you are at the point now in your life where you say, you know what, I'm drawing a line in the sand, no longer will I let my excuses keep me from stepping into what my purpose and destiny is. Sign me up. I want to run with you. I'm excited to run with you. I was a person that used to react. I didn't have any mastery of my mind whatsoever. And you know what it did? It led me into a place of self-doubt and frustration and depression and angry. But now I want to teach you the tips that took me from whenever I was knocked down on rock bottom, that I had lost everything, that these tips are tips that I was able to apply and create a new foundation for me to springboard myself to go on to walk into my purpose and in my destiny. You can walk away from this course if you want to, but just remember what doing nothing has gotten you so far. Feeling powerless to a negative mindset and poor habits. I know that you're here today because you want to do something different, because the same old is really the definition of insanity. In order for things to change, we have to change something. I'm asking you to lock arms with me, to take my hand on this, to take my lead, because I know where you're at, I know where you've been, and I know how to get you to where you want to be. Let's go do this.